Hello everyone, I would like to thank all of our directors, promoters, stakeholders, shareholders, clients, suppliers, team members, subscribers and followers for believing in us, trusting our capabilities and standing beside us throughout 2025. 2025, an incredible journey for Mettas Overseas Limited, and every milestone we achieved this year become possible only because of your trust and support. This year, we proudly collaborated with Kybex Elevator, an American brand introduced in India, strengthening our position in industry. Friends, with the support of our all stakeholders, we successfully entered as subcontractor for prestigious government projects, introducing DMRC, Indian Railway, Airport Authority of India, National Highway Authority of India, and successfully completed several remarkable projects. Your continuous support, collaboration, and confidence has helped us to grow stronger and set new benchmarks in quality, innovation, and excellence. As we step into 2026, we are excited to announce that Mettas Overseas Limited is planning for its IPO in next upcoming years. Friends, it will mark a major milestone in our growth journey. Friends, we are also expanding our business origin. Along with this, we are proudly stepping into the UAE market, entering in the business of dome, structure, sculptures, modular construction industry, taking Mettas Overseas Limited to powerful global presence. Friends, we look forward to your continued support, trusting and partnership in 2026, just as you supported us in 2025. So together, let's achieve greater heights, build strong relationship, and create a future full of success and innovation. Thank you once again. Stay connected, stay inspired. Let's make 2026 remarkable year together with Mettas Overseas Limited.